It's that super bowl, no, she must flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that
The 2018 Acura RDX is powered by a 279 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 teamed with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Acura's active cylinder management system lets this engine run on 6, 4, or 3 cylinders, depending on the need for power. The 6-speed automatic transmission goes about its business without notice, but if you're so inclined, you can shift gears yourself with the steering wheel mounted shift paddles. Fuel economy for the front-wheel drive RDX is a modest 20 miles per gallon in the city and 28 mpg on the highway, while the all-wheel drive version earns 19 mpg city/27 mpg highway. The front-wheel drive RDX includes a power moonroof, 18-inch alloy wheels, heated outside mirrors, auto on/off headlights, an 8-way power front driver's seat with power lumbar support, a 4-way power passenger seat, leather seat trim, heated front seats, LED headlights, dual-zone automatic climate control, hill start assist, cruise control, keyless access with push-button start, a tilt-telescopic steering column, a 360-watt 7-speaker sound system, Bluetooth, a rear backup camera and the Active Noise Cancellation system. The RDX with the technology package brings a blind spot monitoring system, rear cross-traffic alert, the Acura Link satellite communications system, voice-activated navigation with real-time traffic and weather updates, SMS text messaging, GPS-linked climate control and the ELS premium sound system with 410 watts, 10 speakers, DVD audio, Dolby Pro Logic 2 and 15 GB of hard drive music storage. The Acura Watch Plus package can be added to the base RDX or the RDX with the technology package. It includes adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, collision mitigation braking, lane keep assist and lane departure warning. The RDX with the advanced package adds unique 18-in machine alloy wheels, rain sensing wipers, bidirectional keyless remote engine starting, fog lights, ventilated front seats and the Acura Watch system.